55. Oh, for God's sake.
Got it? Yeah.
The guy's looking at me.
Yeah, man, I got a camera on us. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. Go ahead.
Gas in the backpack, yo, tried many styles with a free one. Instead of writing a rhyme or watch what you do, live in the now. Let's believe there's only.
It's gonna be loud. Not just black like my mama. What happened? What the hell?
I want that damn eight color to go away.
Got it?
Yeah, I got
Wait, stop, electric, that's the fuck.
it. Alright.
What you got?
Got it. God damn.
Yeah, they're like, go ahead. They always slow down too much. Good. Yeah.
So why you wearing around videotaping that shit until
That motherfucker's windshield, I bet you won't do it again.